Hi viewer, today I want to show you how to tag someone on Facebook story. Let's have a look. First, open Facebook app. To create a new story, tap create a story. Now you can capture image or you can select image from gallery. Then tap tag people. You can search people or you can select people from this list. I have selected one, tap done. Using two fingers, you can resize tag. Tap on the tag name to change its style. You can set this tag anywhere on your story. Another way you can add tag. Tap sticker button on top right. Then tap tag. Similarly, you can search or select people from this list. You can change tag style. You can use text to tag someone. Tap AA on top right, type @ and the person name. To change text color, tap color button. That's it, tag added on Facebook story. By tap share to story, you can share this story on your Facebook. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.